Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing another wig review. So I'm going to be reviewing the It's a Wig braid lace front wig in the style Erica, and it's in the color P4/27/30. It is tangle free. It is 100% heat resistant. It is a beautiful texture. As you can see, it is 16 inches long. So I'm going to go ahead and install this baby. I have cut the lace off, and I have done one layer of Got2B Ultra Glued Gel, and now I'm just showing you the second layer. Once I let that first layer completely dry, that's when it's safe to go in with a second, and that's really going to add that hold to your wig so it will not come up. Because this wig has no part, I want it to be very secure and flat to my head so you can't see the lace. So that's why I'm going through these extra measures. I'm also going to take the Got2B Glued Freeze Blasting Spray, after both those layers of gel have dried, just to have extra hold. This method I'm starting to like again. At first, I did not like the Got2B Glued Gel, but I'm starting to like it paired with the Freeze Blasting Spray because it almost acts like an actual wig adhesive, like the Ghost Bond that I use a lot. I find this to be very comparable to that. So it will really stick your wig down for days. So after I have put the lace on top of that gel and that freeze blasting spray, I'm just taking a makeup brush. You could take a rat tail comb, anything with a flat end, and press that wig and that lace down on top of those products, just to make sure the lace is really stuck down to those products and stuck down to your head. So I did tie my hair down for the amount of time that it takes to do my makeup, and now look at it. It looks great. Look how it sits behind the ear. Yes. So now I'm going to attempt to do a French braid going from one ear to the other across the front of the wig. And this is the style that the wig had when I picked it out on the website. I did get this wig from NYC Express Trends, by the way. They are a very trendy type of wig website. Lots of different options. I have enjoyed working with them, and this one just looked different to me, so that's why I picked it out. So as you can see, I'm just doing a normal French braid from one ear to the other across the front of the wig. So now I'm just taking a bobby pin and going to secure that braid in place. And I'm taking another bobby pin and pulling out some hairs in the front, which I probably should have did this before I did the braid, but it worked out okay. And I'm going to take more of that Got2B Ultra Glued Gel, and I'm going to just swoop that those hairs that I'm creating to the side. I did have some scissors in front of me too, so if it was too long like you see on that other side, I just clipped it shorter. And I'm just going to work slowly just to make a couple baby hairs in the front. Basically, it's just going to mask that lace even more. So now I'm just taking a spray bottle full of water, and I'm going to spray the hair. As you can see, it has that wet and wavy type of texture, so I really want to bring those waves out. Then I'm going to go in with the Nata Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, and I'm going to put that on the hair also, just to define those waves even more, give it some nice shine, and get rid of any tangles. And that is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am loving this wig. Perfect wig for every day. I like how you can do different things with the front of it. It doesn't have a part. I like that also. You can part it, which either way. You can flip it over to one side, flip it over to the other, do a braid in the front. Lots of different options you could do with this one. And it's very affordable. It's only like $35, I believe. So if you're interested in this wig, please check the description box below and check out NYC Express Trends. And I cannot wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.